Find the midpoint of A and B. I want the middle of the x coordinates, which is 2, middle of the y coordinates, which is 5, and the middle of the z coordinates, which is 0, so 2, 5, 0. The vector A to B, how do I get from 3 to 1? Well, I subtract 2. How do I get from 7 to 3? I need to subtract 4. And how do I get from negative 2 to positive 2? I need to add 4. This then gives me the ability to do the magnitude, which is Pythagoras. Square all the dimensions, sum and square root, and that gives me 6. Angle B to C, so 1 to 2 I need to add 1, 3 to 5 I need to add 2, and 2 to 6 I need to add 4. Then the formula for the angle is cos theta is one of the vectors, to negative, so A to B dotted with B to C divided by their magnitudes. The magnitude of A to B is 6, magnitude of B to C, dot product, just multiply the pairs, so I get negative 2, negative 8, positive 16 over 6 square root 21. The top is 6, so 1 over root 21. So shift cos, and that gives me 77.4. Vector equation of a line through A and B. Well, we know the direction of A to B, so that's our end bit, negative 2, negative 4, 4, and then we can choose any point on the line, which could be A, could be B, or could be the midpoint, doesn't really matter. I traditionally go with A. For part F, I'd draw the diagram, so I need A, B, C, D to be a parallelogram. And I know that the angle 77.4 is at B, so let's call it A, B, C, D. And I already know the coordinates of A. I know the coordinates of B. I know the coordinates of C, 2, 5, 6. And I need to find D. Well, because it's a parallelogram, however I get from B to C, which is to add 1, I need to do the same to get from A to D. So D will have a first coordinate of 4. To get from 3 to 5, I add 2. So 7 add 2 is 9. And to get from 2 to 6, I need to add 4. So I'm going to add 4. So D's Z coordinate is 2. And the area of a parallelogram, well, the parallelogram is 2 triangles, and the area of a triangle is a half AB sine C. So I want 2 of those. So 2 times a half is 1. One of the lengths A to B I know is 6. Other length B to C I know is root 21. I'm going to multiply by the sine of the angle between them, which I've worked out before is 77.4. And I get an answer of 26.8.